You are looking at a dataset, messy, unstructured, and in the right side, if you scroll, you will see a simple button. In just one click, that button can instantly create a fully interactive professional dashboard. There is no manual work, no complex setup, just using Claude AI and with that single click. So let's jump in. Right now, we only have the raw dataset, nothing else. First, we will open Claude in Google Chrome. We have provided word prompt file in the video description. You can just copy that prompt and paste it right here and then hit enter. And within seconds, Claude will generate a complete VBA code for your dashboard. Now you will download that code file and next back to Excel, press Alt F11 to open your VBA code editor. Then go to your file, click on import file and select your downloaded VBA code file which we just have downloaded. Once you imported that file, then close your editor by pressing Alt F4 and then you can select your whole data and press Alt F8 to run your macro. You will see here build dashboard macro. You can run it from here, but let's make it even simpler. So let's make a new button where we can just click and we will get the results. So go to the insert tab, click on shapes and choose rectangle shape. So you can draw a shape over your sheet for the button. Next, format the button, central alignment for the whole up and down section, make it bold and make its font size a bit bigger. Now right click on the button and click on assign the macro. So you have to select build dashboard from this list. You only have one macro here. You just have to click on it from the list. Then click on OK. Now your one click button is ready. Now you will just click on this button and you will be getting your interactive dashboard within seconds in front of you. Now click on this and you will see the magic. KPI cards are created, pivot tables are created. There is no static table, they are completely dynamic. And if you update your data set, you will see these values will reflect automatically according to your data. No manual work needed, and here it is. You can make it in minutes. You can create powerful interactive dashboard in Excel that would normally take hours of work for people to make the dashboard like this. If you found it helpful and useful, try it by yourself using the prompt that I will provide you in the description below and start building dashboard smarter, not harder. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.